Thank you for joining SDC. My name is Moon Bae-sung. I'm leading a development team to deliver Samsung Health platform and SDK. Joining me is Mr. Yong Sung, who's in charge of the Samsung Health Data SDK. Today, we will discuss how Samsung expanding its ecosystem through the advancement of Samsung Health and Samsung Health SDK Suite. We will also discuss our strategy focusing on connected care centered around the home. Today, I will walk you through several key topics. First, I will share Samsung Health's vision and strategy. Then I will introduce our recent advancement for our platform and SDK with some big changes, improvement we made this year. Finally, I will highlight you some of the key partners for our showing our advancement in this year. Let's start with Samsung Health, vision and ecosystem. Samsung Health has a strong user base of 65 million active users monthly. We support 65 languages globally, reaching people all around the world. But this 65 million is not just a number. It is a huge opportunity for our developers and partners, as these users are their potential customer for their product and services. This might be a bit controversial, but I personally believe that the most important measure of human progress is life expectancy. Incredibly, it is only 32 years old in 1900, but now is 71 years old globally. That's more than double the increase, thanks to advances in medicine, public hygiene, and nutrition. Nowadays, as you know, people are living much, much longer, ever. But there's a flip side. This increased lifespan has led the global aging and surge in chronic diseases and skyrocketing the healthcare cost. That's where the digital health technology comes in. Digital health technology can paint a picture of a future of a digital health through the data integration, AI, and advanced sensor and algorithm. Our vision is to improve the health of 1 billion through the connected care centered around the home. Our mission is involved connecting devices, connecting services, and connecting people, ensuring that healthcare is more accessible and more effective. To achieve this goal, we present Care Hub Vision, which leverage health technology to provide end-to-end healthcare services for our customer and loved one. As you know, home is a hub of intelligent device and sensor that can complete digital health user experience. With Samsung Health, we thrive to transform your home into a core place for interoperable healthcare ecosystem. This is our Care Hub vision. Health AI has been an important piece of our puzzle for Samsung Health, helping us to better understand users' health and provide deeper insight. Our personalized heart rate measuring can deliver more accurate results than previous Galaxy Watches. Our machine learning model learns continuously from high-quality heart rate signal, especially during intense workout. It is able to adjust for signal caused by vigorous movement. This substantially reduces the noise and improve the resulting accuracy, giving reliable health metric for both fitness enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Beyond the analytic AI, our on-device LLM technology offers more comprehensive and personalized health insight, helping users to better understand and manage their health. It processes data locally on the device, maximizing privacy and security. This means your health data stays on your device safely while still offering comprehensive and safe health information tailored only to you. To achieve this vision, we are expanding the ecosystem with Samsung Health SDK Suite. This suite is a collection of SDK supporting various business use cases. First, our Data SDK is to provide wide range of Samsung Health data. Second, Sensor SDK allows direct access Galaxy Watch sensors. Our Accessory SDK enables convenient interaction with various health devices. Finally, Research Stack provides end-to-end solution for medical studies. Now, let's dive into each SDK. To start, my dear colleague, Mr. Yong-sung, will introduce Samsung Health Data SDK.
Thank you for introduction, Moonbae. Hello, everyone. My name is Yong-sung. I lead a development team for Samsung Health Data SDK. I'm very excited to introduce you to our new Samsung Health Data SDK and how it can enhance your development experience. Samsung Health allows for comprehensive tracking for users' various activities and vital signs, resulting in a diverse collection of their health data. The health data is collected through user direct input and Samsung wearable devices such as Galaxy Watch and Galaxy Ring, and third-party accessory devices connected to Samsung Health and other partner services. With every new Samsung device released, Samsung Health will keep expanding its capabilities and incorporating new valuable features. This continuous improvement guarantees a diverse range of health data types and their sources. Instead of it, ongoing evolution made by Samsung Health to support partners to access and utilize user-centered health data, we released Samsung Health Data SDK. We believe Samsung Health Data SDK will significantly simplify how partners leverage health data in Samsung Health, providing them with powerful tools to enrich their applications. It also supports partners offering their services based on the accessory devices to store their data into Samsung Health. Then finally, they can contribute to flourishing Samsung Health ecosystem. Here's an overview of strength and key benefit of Samsung Health Data SDK. We've prioritized making APIs easy to use and intuitive. This means developers can start integrating it with minimal efforts. We also address practical challenges developers can face when working with health data. For instance, dealing with time overlapping data from multiple sources or handling data that has been created or deleted over time. Samsung Health Data SDK is specifically designed to tackle these pain points. Furthermore, we take data security and privacy more seriously. Samsung Health ensured that data is protected securely by Knox and by Knox on the Samsung device. Each data access is controlled not only by user permissions, but also according to our SDK service policies. Let's take a look at important API features and their prospective functionalities. Samsung Health Data SDK provides streamlined query for health data. With essential filters, partner app can access their interesting health data. We also provide powerful aggregator functions specific to each data type. They will help developers get meaningful values for a specific data type without complex processing data from multiple sources. For example, total steps from multiple devices. As another, in addition to support track any data changes such as data insert or data deletion within a given time period. As another important feature, we distinguish various types of data sources from partner apps or Samsung companion wearable devices to accessory devices. This can increase the trustworthiness of health data in Samsung Health and enables developers to handle health data from multiple sources properly. Let's delve into how to easily retrieve interesting data by using each essential API with a practical example code. In the first step in coding, we meet health data store without complicated boilerplate code. Health data store is a single starting point to program with Samsung Health Data SDK APIs. Before calling a data API such as read data, a proper request should be specified with several filters. And finally, we can get a list of data points from the request query response. This is a sample code snippet to maximum heart rate values from today's heart rate data points. We can create a read request builder from heart rate data type like this and specify the time filter for today. Once getting a response for read data API, like the API call with the request, we can finally obtain the maximum values of today's heart rate data points. Here's one of the popular trackers in Samsung Health, Step Tracker. In this tracker, there are a few meaningful values for steps, such as daily total steps, today's total steps for every 30 minutes. And steps data can be collected from multiple devices, such as mobile, watch, or ring simultaneously. From a developer perspective, calculating a combined values from time overlapping data across the multiple devices can be quite challenging. However, with our aggregate API, developer can conveniently retrieve total step for a specific time period. For steps data type, the aggregate function used here is total, which proves to be very helpful. This code snippet shows how to get today's hourly steps from all devices. With a similar pattern to the read request, we create a aggregate request builder for total steps and specify it with hourly time group. Finally, this aggregate data API call gives hourly step counts combined from all devices. Samsung Health Data SDK supports detailed categorization of trusted devices that serve as important data sources. Therefore, it allows retrieving information of interesting types of data or occurring health data generated from a targeted type of device. The first example is a code snippet to fetch information about previously registered heart rate monitor accessory devices. And the second one is to query heart rate data collected from Galaxy Ring. As you can see, developer can easily handle the device they consider important, or query data generated from those devices. This is the list of supported data types in Samsung Health Data SDK now. Continuous SpO2 and skin temperature during sleep are also included. The number of supported data type will keep increasing in the upcoming versions. Many of them are generated from trustful Samsung wearable devices and third-party accessory devices. Partners can enrich their services by using these valuable health data. Here ends my brief yet essential introduction to Samsung Health Data SDK. Thank you very much. Back to you, Moonbae.
Thank you, Young, for the great introduction. For those interested, we also have a cutoff session here at SDC, so I highly recommend you to check it out. Samsung Health Data SDK will be available from this fall, so in an open beta form. So I highly recommend you to download it from October. So something else will also be available alongside with this release. As an early access program, we actively working with Harman, Terra, and Natural Cycle, who have great expertise in the field of digital health. Our legacy data SDK, Samsung Health SDK for Android, has been used since 2015 and supporting various health and fitness applications. However, it is scheduled for deprecation next year, not this year. Previously known as the previous Health SDK, Samsung Health Sensor SDK has been rebranded and relaunched to reach a broader developer ecosystem. The new Sensor SDK continues to expand its use cases in health service development, digital therapeutics, medical researches by adding more sensor and capability and features. The Samsung BioActive Sensor is a high-performance, low-power sensor that plays a crucial role in understanding users' health. This generates a wide range of health sensor data. This data can be accessed through our Sensor SDK by your Watch app and providing valuable insight for users' health. The Sensor SDK already supports a wide range of health sensors, including PPG, ECG, oxygen saturation, skin temperature, and etc. This sensor allows Watch application to censor users' health and provide valuable insight. Now, we provide more sensors like on-demand PPG green, body impedance, and continuous PPG red and IR together. This newly added sensor opened the door to various use cases, such as medical studies, remote patient monitoring. The SDK has offered the developer the chance to use our BioActive Sensor directly. But until now, the access has been a little bit limited. Until now, you need a pre-approval from Samsung to use the SDK to your app development. But I have good news today. starting from today, we will change the policy. Developer will no longer need pre-approval to download the SDK. So all you need is a developer account and a Galaxy Watch, and you are ready to go. This change will create more opportunity and more possibility for a wider range of service and application. You can download the SDK from Samsung Health Developer Portal from today. Next thing is our Accessory SDK and its improvement. This is all about creating a platform that allows users to connect various health devices seamlessly. Today, I want to share an exciting changes, ambitious plan to expand our device ecosystem. The biggest thing is our interaction with SmartThings. To offer more seamless and consistent user experience, Samsung Health is now interacting with SmartThings for device onboarding and management. Health device can be easily connected by using SmartThings, Quick Pair pop-up, and QR code method. You can check the status of this health device right from your phone. With this interaction with SmartThings, we are making Accessory SDK to support more health devices and provide more convenient and organized way to manage them. And there's more. We have a plan to strengthen our device ecosystem support. First, we will expand the range of compatible devices. On top of existing 4 types, we will add 4 more types. That means you can use your thermometers and indoor fitness device right at home with the integration of Samsung Health with SmartThings. And we will enhance test automation to reduce development and test costs for our partners. Through this report, we're trying to shape the future of health and continuously expanding the Samsung Health ecosystem. I'd like to share 2 impressive examples from our partner, MyHealth and QWear. The first person is MyHealth, a portfolio company of the EdgeTech collaboration from AARP portfolio company. MyHealth has integrated with Galaxy Watches to empower all the adult and enable aging in place. By leveraging the Samsung Health SDK, MyHealth allows the watch to measure vital signs like blood oxygen without needing a phone. Their digital health coach, Monica, help users to make lifestyle changes through personalized feedback using over 70 data types, including via our Sensor SDK. MyCare is a pioneer in digital biomarker engineering. Samsung Watches plays a crucial role in their 3 core AI services, such as MyGuide, MyVoice, and MyCortex, to support biomarker collection in indoor home environment. Okay, another example is QWear. QWear Digital Therapeutics is innovating women's health with AI-powered solution across different life stages. Their newest menopause solution is particularly exciting for Samsung users. Through the integration with Samsung's devices, QWear can detect and predict heart pressures, sending real-time notification direct to your watch. This allows women to manage symptoms like heart pressures and mood disorder more effectively. QWear's platform, including FDA-approved Mama Lift Plus for postpartum depression, deliver digital-first health intervention through Samsung devices. By combining predictive analytics with Samsung devices, we're creating a connected care experience, empowering women to manage their health during menopause and postpartum. Thank you for all listening. What we shared today reflects Samsung's ongoing effort to fundamentally improve digital health and global ecosystem. Like someone said, the best way to predict is to invent it. At Samsung Health, we want to grow the ecosystem to shape the future of digital health, together with our partner, together with you, our developers. We don't claim that we all know the answer. We just believe that we need to find those answers together with you. So, thank you for your time and patience. Good day. Enjoy SDC.